Okay, so we'll start with the first exercise. We said hip cross over the palms down. Right, turn a line on your back. Okay. Now, bend both of your knees. So take your right leg and cross over. And then place your palm out. And then drop your knee and your ankle on the opposite. And then rotate your head on the opposite direction. Now hold it. Okay. Now repeat the same one on the other side. So bring your left leg over your right. Drop it down. And then rotate your head. Alright, relax. Okay, come back to the starting position.